Hi, welcome my friend. I have a question for you. Do you know what is subconscious mind and how it is being programmed? Maybe, maybe not. Now my friend, most important thing, through hypnosis and self-hypnosis, you can program your subconscious mind consciously. Yes, you can program it. And hypnosis and self-hypnosis are a very powerful tool to program your mind and achieve what you want to achieve in your life. My friend, my name is Pradeep Agarwal and I am from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching hypnosis in 1977. And I have trained more than 10 lakhs people all over the world in my live training program. I work with the top level sportsmen whom I taught self-hypnosis and they become very successful, especially in golf and cricket and tennis. Even I work with the Olympic athletes also and players also. Yeah, will not want to go into detail, and I have worked with them and they are using self-hypnosis to program their mind, to remove their mental blocks and become successful. Hypnosis is a very powerful tool. So my friend, there is a good news is I am conducting a workshop. Regularly I used to conduct workshop in Hyderabad, a 2 full-day practical workshop, but as you know, because of the coronavirus and lockdown, people are not able to travel much and they are not able to come and attend the workshop practically. So I have got a lot of requests. So I am conducting a workshop on self-hypnosis to program your subconscious mind and self-hypnosis for self-improvement. And I will be combining a little bit of neuro-linguistic programming also into it. This workshop is happening on Zoom. So you don't need to come to Hyderabad. You can attend wherever you are in India or abroad. I know many people attend my workshop from other countries also regularly. Now this workshop is happening on Zoom on 11th of October 2020. It will be in the afternoon, 2:30 p.m. India time. Yes, remember India time. Why I am saying India time? Because people may be watching this from all over the world. So my friend, this workshop is happening. It's around 5-hour workshop. Let me tell you what you will learn there. Now it's a practical workshop. That means you need to do some exercises as I ask you to do it there. Remember, first of all, you will learn about what is conscious mind, how is subconscious mind, and what is universal mind. Yes, you never heard about universal mind. Yes, am I right? I will talk about universal mind and how it is getting programmed and how it can help you to achieve your goals quickly and easily. And then you will learn how subconscious mind being programmed unconsciously. Yes, you have been programming it unconsciously, then you will learn how to program it consciously. Yes, consciously through self-hypnosis. Then you will learn about the power of imagination. Now imagination is a very, very powerful tool and you will experience some exercises. We will do some exercise to show you the power of your imagination and how by changing your imagination you can become successful. Then you will learn how to go into self-hypnosis in a few seconds. And go there, program your mind and come back all in 1.5 minutes. That's right, my friend, 1.5 minutes. You can go program your mind and come out. I practice self-hypnosis every day since 1972. Then you will learn how to program your mind with self-hypnosis. The techniques are, first is affirmations, auto-suggestions. You will learn how to practice auto-suggestion. You will learn how to create your own auto-suggestions according to your personal need. Interesting. Then you will learn a powerful, simple wording of suggestions. These are different kind of suggestions. You will be given a handout and we'll be talking about it. You will learn by doing it. And then the most important thing you will learn there, the power of questions. Yeah, questions are more powerful than affirmations. Sometimes affirmation doesn't work, but questions works. You will learn the hypnotic power of question and you will experience them in the workshop. Plus, you will be given a simple questions to program your mind and you can create your own. You will learn by doing it in the workshop. Then we get, as I work with the top level sportsmen, the first thing I do is change what they speak, the power of words. You are going to experience the power of words yourself during the workshop and then you will learn. You will learn how to change those words, number one. Number two, now you can change your words, but what about other negative people that their words also affecting you? Sometimes their energy is also affecting you. You will learn how to protect yourself and you will learn how to change your words. Plus you get into a very powerful thing called Setting goals. Now, setting goal, everybody knows. They know the formula kind SMART goal, but that doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because some important things are missing. You will learn in the workshop what are those things so you can avoid those things and achieve your goal easily. Now, one more important I'll tell you. Now, setting just goal and visualizing sometimes doesn't work. We'll do a very powerful timeline therapy techniques so that you set a goal and put it into your future timeline in such a way that something will pull you there. We'll be doing a meditation, a very powerful meditation, and you can use it, the formula to set goals, and plus program it. So you can use it for anything you want in the future. Then once you set your goal, you need a method to reach there. You need a pathway to reach your goal. There's a very powerful NLP technique which you will learn there, pathway to the goal. Every time you do that exercise, you'll get wonderful ideas to achieve your goal. Then you need confidence. So my friend, a very powerful NLP technique called Circle of Excellence. This is such a powerful technique. You can program your mind for a future event. It may be exam, interview, or some negotiation, or maybe meeting an opposite sex if you have a fear about it. You can program it now, and the moment you are there, this technique will, in that state of mind, the confidence will automatically available to you without thinking. A very powerful technique you learn there, and then we get into a little bit of metaphysical thing. You create and guides and masters. Now, guides and masters is a spiritual technique. But my purpose of doing this exercise is for you to communicate with your subconscious mind in a way that you can solve your problem and get advice. Then we talk about 7 most common reasons why we get psychosomatic and physical problem. We'll discuss there, and then you learn 2 method of using imagery for healing. You can use imagery for healing. Dr. Carl O. Simonton in USA, he has created a wonderful books on using imagery for healing cancer patients. Yes, cancer patients, a very powerful technique. You will learn there how to create your own imagery for healing, and then different methods of managing pain. And then you will learn a technique, and I'll be guide you to remove your fear and phobias. Yes, fear and phobias. Again, it is an NLP, very powerful technique. We'll be guiding you there. And then one powerful meditation to explore the cause of your problem and release it using a hand warming technique. Now, all these things are practical workshops where you learn by doing it. Now, in this workshop, you are going to getting a lot of handouts, number 1. Number 2, you are going to get some very powerful bonuses worth rupees 5,000, more than 5,000 rupees. 1, you will get my live recorded 2 full-day workshop on hypnosis for self-improvement, a 2 full-day workshop. MP3 downloadable you will get as a bonus, which is around 2,000 rupees. Then you will get a live recorded 2.5 hours my workshop, which I did for Life Positive many years back on self-hypnosis. That also 2.5 hours program downloadable you get for 2,000 worth rupees. Then you will get 2 ebooks. 2 ebooks. One is my personal transform 7 weeks, which is around 450 rupees. Then Creative Vigilance, that is also 450 rupees. Plus one more audio file you will get, uncovering the cause and developing confidence. Now, we all have these causes in our subconscious mind. Sometimes we don't know about it. This audio file, I give it to everybody who take my personal sessions, because this will remove problem in a way layer wise. A very powerful MP3 which you'll get is all about 5,300 rupees. Plus this 5 hours workshop, normally I charge for this workshop around 10,000 rupees. Now my friend, as it is a Zoom workshop, you don't need to pay that much. The fees is only a heavily discounted price, that is only 1,500 rupees plus GST. That comes to around 1,769 rupees. And you get a bonus of 5,000 plus we are going to make a WhatsApp group. The participants are practicing there, so you can discuss the things with you among themselves. Plus I will be guiding in the future. And one more bonus, the same workshop when I conduct again on Zoom, you can attend free. So my friend, the total things, if you see the 5,000 worth of bonus, 10,000 worth of workshop, you are getting only for 1,500 rupees. Now this workshop may not happen again. And this will be happening on 11th of October 2020, this month, next month, 11th of October, which is Sunday, 2:30 p.m. sharp. So that means you have taken your lunch and then sit with us, and we'll have it's almost 5-hour workshop. In between there will be small breaks for you for tea and coffee. So my friend, if you really want to program your mind, this technique you will never learn anywhere else, because I'm going to teach you something more which I'm not telling you in this video right now. Purpose, because I don't want to come unnecessary people learn from there and then start teaching. So it is only for the participant, some very powerful technique you will learn. So my friend, if you really want to program your mind, immediately click on the link below and register. You can make the payment through Google Pay or Pay Your Money button is there, or our bank account is there. If you are calling from outside, you are not from India, from abroad, we have a PayPal button also. The PayPal fees is approximately $29 because PayPal charges around 10% of when they send. So $29 only, that's all. Which is, so my friend, register immediately right now and see you on 11th of October, 2:30 p.m. sharp. Sharp means sharp. So be there by 2 o'clock, and once you register, we'll send you a Zoom link with the password. And the bonus will be given to you after the workshop is over. So see you there and all the best. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my friend.